and today I've got a review of a little quad bike I got sent from Gizmos. So I was quite excited to get this unboxed. Right then, so let's go through it. On the box itself, got a nice window. You got your Gizmo logo on top, and underneath tells you how to install the batteries. Right there, I'm quite surprised about this. Really happy. When they say ready to run, you always think that ready to run means all the batteries, everything, just install them and you're ready to go. No, 99.9% of the time, ready to run is not ready to run. But this came with all the batteries. It came with the batteries for the handset, it came with the batteries for the quad. So there were no problems to install the batteries and away it goes. So I'm very happy. I think Gizmo, when they mean ready to run, they mean ready to run, so that's cool. I think Gizmo. Okay, the handset. Right then, the handset, it's only a small one. You got your up, down, left, right. You got your antennae. Works off a 27 megahertz signal, so the distance is not that brilliant. It's about 30 foot, but something like this you'll keep close by. So let's put that over there. The bike itself's awesome. Let's just bring it up so you can see it. Underneath, it's actually got suspension. Yeah, for a little quad bike with full suspension system, it's brilliant. Underneath is where the battery goes. On the back, if you look, you got your on-off switch, 3.6 volts, 600 milliamp battery, so it's a pretty good battery. You get the charger with it, you get everything with it, which is really cool. So the battery's packing. It's like I say, it's got a full suspension system. So the beautiful thing about it is that when the quad turns, he actually turns with the quad, so that's really cool. And it's super quick. Whoa. Yeah, he's off. Can't really do any speed on table, but whoa, it's going to be a quick one. That's amazing how he turns like that. Can't wait to do some jumps. That'd be awesome with him. It'd be really cool to do some jumps and stuff like that. But yeah, what a cool little idea. I've been looking around the internet about other quads, and I think this is the only quad that actually turns with the rider. When there's better weather outside, I'll take him out, do a bashing, and put him through his paces. I'm going to leave it there for now, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave all your comments in the box below, and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.